Hello friends, welcome to my next video, which is on Kaizen, which means change for the better. Small continuous improvements. It just means get a little better each day, as simple as that. There is a saying little strokes fell great oaks. That means, instead of trying to make radical changes in a short amount of time, if you can just make small improvements, just 1% better, every day, then that will gradually lead to the change you want in your life. So now, what does 1% a day mean? Instead of big change instantly, try to improve little by little each day up to 1%. So now, the question will be, how will change happen in your organization? Is it through major initiatives? The answer is no. So then is it through little changes and sometimes part of the ongoing way you work? The answer is yes. Now, the difficulty is when we need to change this thing in ongoing activities, it will hamper other activities also, right? For a bigger project, when we experience that it is causing a lot of trouble and difficulties, we need to change many things, and that it requires lots of hard work and big budgets. However, an alternative or complementary approach to improving systems and processes often finds difficult to describe ongoing changes. This approach is often undervalued. So let's see this case study where the manager has practiced Kaizen techniques for bringing results. New manager was appointed in manufacturing company and he was being asked to improve overall work efficiency and increase production. Now, observe the checkpoint what he did. First, he chose to and walked around the factory to see what's going on. It is also known as Gemba walk. He talked to workers to get their ideas. In this way he observed many things around the work and the work culture. Then after talking he got the idea and started to first organize the workplace, so he used 5S method. He started by sorting, get rid of things you don't need. Placing everything in different group-wise. Second was he set the things in order, that is arranging things so you can find them easily. Third, shine, keep the workplace clean, so that everything can be visible. Fourth, then he instructed the worker to work in the standardized method, so that everyone practices this standard way of doing things. Fifth, maintain this habit regularly, by practicing the same thing, again and again, to make it work effectively and work faster. After some day the workers complain about the oil wastage, so he went to the site, he observed from where the oil waste was happening. He asked the workers several questions, using why techniques. From there he concluded that there was no oil wastage, there is an oil quality supplying problem. As there were no oil wastage because the container was made up of where only pure oil can sustain, and the remaining things was automatically going in waste. So in this case study, what he did is, observe things around him by talking around the people. He observes where it is inefficient, so he does the 5S method and techniques, and again he finds inefficiency gaps, so he implemented production flow analysis. How? By using why methods. In this way, he found out solution. So he changed the vendor and supply of oil, and he was able to bring tremendous change to the factory. So in this you have observed that he did not make changes in one day. It took him to study the various factors involved in the factory. He arranged, organized, and trained people how to do the work. He made the standard practice. And he found out result. So, in this way he was able to function effectively in the factory and increase production as he, first, made car parts faster by 20%. Second, had fewer mistakes, only 15% of what it used to be. Third, people felt happier at work. This was a real case study of one manufacturing car company. So friends, this was the end of the video. I hope you will implement in your workplace and apply these techniques anywhere and bring tremendous result. Do watch and stay connected with this channel. I will keep you updated with all the learning videos, and the link you will get in the description below. So keep learning. Thank you, and all the best.